Hello friends, this is Chandrakant Ghosh. Today I'll tell you about root cause analysis. There are many tools to identify root cause of a problem, but when you analyze a complex problem with many causes, or when you need different point of views to look on a problem, or when you want to identify possible root causes for an effect or a problem, then you can use a tool which is known as fishbone or cause and effect analysis. So let's see the cause and effect analysis. Problems are unavoidable or inevitable in the business. We all know that it is important to resolve problems in timely manner, and it's also important to identify the source of any problem so that we can clear the problems from its root and prevent it from occurring. And this is what cause and effect analysis help us to do. Cause and effect diagram is also known as fishbone diagram and Ishikawa diagram. It is a tool which helps us visualize all the potential causes of a problem and help us narrow down to the root causes. To identify root cause of a problem with the help of cause and effect analysis, we have to conduct a brainstorming session with a group of people from same department or from same trade so that you can gather the number of possible causes for your problem. This cause and effect diagram is also known as fishbone diagram. So let's see how to create fishbone diagram. There are 4 steps to create fishbone diagram. First one is identify the specific problem, which is very important. You have to identify your specific problem. If you can't identify your specific problem, then it would be difficult to identify the root causes of your problem. So therefore, first step is to identify the specific problem. So to create fishbone diagram, first of all you have to draw a straight line, and at the end of right side you have to write your problem statement, or you have to define your problem. And second step would be to identify the causes of your problem, and you have to identify the categories of your causes. So the second step would be you have to identify the causes of your problem, and you have to identify the categories of your causes. So here your category would be the man, machine, method, material, measurement, and mother nature. Mother nature would be the environment. That means what I mean to say is your category will come under majorly in these, your causes will come under majorly in these 6 categories, which are man, machine, method, material, measurement, and mother nature, that is environment. And you can see these categories are the main goals, and this picture is look like a skeleton of a fish, therefore it is also known as fishbone diagram. And the third step would be to identify the sub causes of each causes of each category. So once you have identified categories, you have identified causes and sub causes, after that you have to prioritize your causes, and then you have to analyze, and you have to come up with an action plan. In action plan you have to write the problems in the left side column, then you have to write the causes, you have to write the root causes of your problem. Root causes could be more than one for a problem, and then you have to come up with a solution. So this will be your action plan. So now let's see an example to understand how to identify the root causes of a problem. This problem is from a printing press where they have identified that for last 3-4 months there is a delay in printing newspapers. So they have conducted a brainstorming session with a group of people from their division, and they could identify 5 major categories from where the problem was coming. These 5 major categories are operator, printing machine, operating method, ink and paper, and they could identify few main causes under each categories. For example, under the category operator, they could identify a main cause, operator not competent. Similarly, under the category printing machine, they could identify 3 main causes, which are faulty spare, electrical panel fault, change of ruler. And under the category operating method, they could identify a main cause, which is operation procedure not followed. Similarly, under the category ink, they could identify that ink quality not good. Similarly, under the category paper, they could identify a couple of main causes, which are paper quality not good and newsprint jumbling. After they have identified few main causes under each category, they have further analyzed and they could identify few sub causes under each main causes. And these sub causes are like no maintenance schedule and spare parts not available under the main cause electrical panel fault. Similarly, they could identify a couple of sub causes under the main cause newsprint jumbling. These are water supply not checked and power backup not adequate. They might have identified few more sub causes under each main causes, but here I have only written 3-4 sub causes just to make you understand that what are the main causes and what are the sub causes, so that we can come up with an action plan. So let's see the action plan after the analysis. So they have come up with an action plan where they have written problems, and if you see the last slide and if you see the problems which are actually the main causes, and if you see the root causes of the problem, these are actually the sub causes of a main cause. For example, if you see the newsprint jumbling, it has 2 sub causes: water supply not checked and power backup not adequate. Now if you see electrical panel fault, newsprint jumbling, you can see water supply not checked and power backup not adequate. So similarly, if you see the problem electrical panel fault, it is actually a main cause, and these are the root causes are the sub causes of the main cause. So for the root cause, no maintenance schedule, they have come up with a solution, which is periodic maintenance schedule prepared and implemented. And the another root cause, which is spare parts not available, they have come up with 3 solutions, which are keep those spare parts in stock for emergency situation, make a health card of such items, identify vendor apart from existing. And for the another problem, which is newsprint jumbling, they have identified 2 root causes, which are water supply not checked and power backup not adequate. For water supply not checked, they have come up with a solution, which is prepare schedule for checking of machine including water supply. And for the root cause, which is power backup not adequate, they have come up with a solution, which is interruption in power backup should be intimated to the management on regular basis, because they don't have any alternative. So they have decided that this will be intimated to the management on regular basis. So they have come up with this action plan. So in this example, we have seen how the main problem has dissected into sub problems and then get the root causes of each sub problems, and then the solution of each root causes. So once we implement all the solutions, we will be able to reduce the delay in printing time. So we have seen how we can get the root cause with the help of cause and effect analysis. So this was about cause and effect analysis. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe it by click on the bell icon. Please share this video to your friends and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. We'll see you in my next video with another topic. Have a good day.